Hey everyone, my name is Hydro, and today I have an amazing seed for you guys which spawns the Woodland Mansion, the super rare Woodland Mansion, right within 100 blocks from your spawn. So now this is the seed. As you guys can see, it will be on your description as well, in the description down below as well, so that you can directly copy paste it. Alright, so this is the spawn, and as you guys can see, there is a pillager outpost right over there, but that's not what we are interested in. And there is a super cool ravine over here as well, but again, that's not what we are really interested in. If you want, you can go ahead and check that out. But if you just come over here, you'll already see a dark oak forest. And voila, look at this, guys. Right, that's the spawn over there. It's just like 100 blocks. But in case you're having any difficulty finding it, do not worry. The coordinates will be in the description down below. You know, it's a really amazing seed. Look at this, guys. So in case you didn't know, in case you're a new player to Minecraft, woodland mansions are like the rarest structures in Minecraft, and to find one so close to spawn is just literally amazing. And actually, I'm going to leave the interiors for you guys to explore. I don't really want to ruin that for you guys. But what I do want to explore is if there are any villages or any settlements around here. So right over here, you can find the Flower Valley flower biome. Again, the flower biome is super rare as well, in case you didn't know. So it's a really rare biome, and we have found it, which is already proving that this seed is amazing. And if we just move a bit ahead, I'm just checking out for any villages or anything. But if I do find some village or any generated structure off camera, again, I will put the coordinates for them in the description down below. So, and I know it's a pretty short video, but with that, I have come to an end in the video. So if you guys did enjoy it, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, goodbye.